How to swap coin on Phantom Wallet. So this is my Phantom Wallet here, which you can see, and launch the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser mobile. And this is the extension, and I've logged in into my account here. Now click on swap icon located at the bottom center of the wallet interface here, which you can see. In the swap section, choose the token you want to swap from. So here is Solana, and I will receive into USDT, right? And let's say I just want to change here. Let's say this is Ethereum, so I can just choose here Ethereum. Right now, then select the token you want to swap into, which we did. Input the amount of the original token you wish to swap. So I don't have, let's say there's a 2, right? It's showing in red color because I don't have this Solana in my wallet. But in your case, if you have, then automatically you will be able to see. Now this is a value, this is around $500. It will show you the exact value here. Now click on review order, right? So here you can see I have insufficient balance, but once you enter the appropriate balance you want to swap here, you will get this option here, that is a review order, to see details such as fees, price impact, and slippage. Ensure you have enough of the network native tokens like Solana to cover transaction fees. If everything looks good, click on swap to initiate the transaction. The swap will usually be completed quickly, often within seconds. After the transaction is complete, check your wallet balance to confirm that the new token have been received. This is it, and thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.